Overpopulated in a motherfucker. Yeah, let's go. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. How we finna maintain social distancing with all this shit, bro? What's the word, too? So, haven't been to bed yet, but starting the other vlog off right now. It's a marathon. It's a marathon. So let us see your famous cup soup make it, bro. We gotta see, bro. That's the start of the vlog. Come on, man. Let's see the shit, bro.
What the hell is
that's gonna go viral, bro. Check it out, y'all. You made it there. We had this cup for like 2 days. We got that cup when it was coming here. It was driving here. We stopped at a gas station. We bought some big ass juice. I wasn't vlogging the trip when I was coming. I was just vibing. But this man made himself some cup soup, y'all. That's crazy. But yeah, I can't sleep. I'm not even tired. Tonight gonna be the last night here. I hope this shit lit. Last night was very lit. We went to like 3 different events.
Yeah, pretty much.
We just got here, like. Anyways, y'all. We'll see where this vlog goes. Leave a like, leave a comment, leave a subscribe. I'm not really editing these vlogs. I'm just putting them together. You feel me? Cause I'm doing it while I'm here. So for the post the first one today. If y'all fucks with it. I'm gonna take more trips. I like it out here. Why every time I turn the camera on, I feel like I want to talk for like 2 minutes, y'all. It's just like, it's just a vibe. You feel me? I be looking like a Chinese man every time I turn the camera on. It's like, it's just a whole different. You know what I'm talking about. It's alright. But yep. I just found out that my tripod over there, it can extend. I did not know. My tripod.
Yeah?
I did not know that could extend.
You're welcome, motherfucker.
Oh, yeah, y'all. But I turned that first bathroom light off, bro. That shit be in my eyes.
You get up this time.
Yeah. This is see that I'm wrapped up. Nigga, you wish. I'm not getting up. Alright, y'all.
This is a disruption.
Peace out. Yeah, we're in the streets right now. Look at that long line. You know when the shoe's about to drop? New shoes gonna drop.
YouTube? That's how you like.
I already did the intro from the bed this morning. I need to do the intro.
Do you
know where I'm going. Walk it out. Walk. What's this, Marshalls?
MCD Markets.
What's popping in there? You
know that bundle shop I went on yesterday? Mm-hmm. I got it from Marshall.
Wanna go in there for?
No, not right now.
What's these people sitting for? You gotta wait to go up or some shit? Is it a limit?
I don't know. Well, yeah, we can go in out when we walk back from HNFC.
Anyways, y'all, I'm gonna quit just turning the camera on and just looking at y'all, bro. I might actually vlog when I'm doing some shit. Okay? Huh?
Is this free parking?
Bitch. Flip. Overpopulated, mo. Overpopulated in a motherfucker. Yeah, let's go. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. How we finna maintain social distancing with all this shit, bro? New York, yeah. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Remember we said we're going there, right? Remember we said we're going to the Berber store, right? You got that moolah. That Guja. Bro, there's hella fucking people, bro. God damn, bro. There's no corona going on out here. This motherfucker lit. We got the right shit. Yeah. Where the fuck did the mall go?
It's right there.
Oh, I'm like, what the fuck going on, bro? But yeah, yo, imagine when this shit hots up. Whoa, D. Yeah. It's Christmas. Christmas been gone like 10 times already. They just lazy with it. This tree still got lights. Damn, we walking out here tonight, bro. Need to get dressed and come shot some photos out here. Tonight, no, we finna be busy. I'm sorry, we ain't got that time.
Yeah. I'm a journalism major at Northwestern University.
actually getting my master's.
Uh-huh.
My professor just assigned us an assignment where we have to take 10 pictures of 10 strangers just to submit to them.
Definitely.
Yes, thank you guys so much.
Definitely. Strangers, so split one by one and you get more.
Have you guys gotten approached a lot today?
No.
Where are you from?
Jamaica.
Oh my gosh, welcome.
This is birthday.
Pose.
Happy birthday.
Hey, what's up?
Walking.
Pose. Pose.
What's my favorite one?
It's lit.
Really?
You should come check it out, trust me.
Okay, yeah, so the picture, you can post it on whatever you want to look good, you can look good. Okay.
Crazy.
No, you look fine.
I gotta look good. I'm a YouTuber, so you know, you gotta get me right.
That's the part. If you want,
Big. Tell the motherfuckers I'm a YouTuber and shit. Don't play with me, nigga. Don't play with me. Let's get lit down. Oh shit. Look at my boy, man. My boy. Everybody out here. That shit crazy. Alright, we in the H&M right now, y'all. You feel me? We get me some clothes. I gotta get dripped up for tonight. Yeah, that's it. I'm copying this. Everything right here. Let's go. Look. Everything right here. Let's go. Hell no. But, hell no. Let's see what they have now. They got hella shit, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all what I get when I get it. You feel me? Yes, sir. This vlog, all these vlogs are like 20 minutes long. All my vlogs are like 20 minutes long.
20 minutes long?
Yeah. I thought it's plastic. Do it again.
It looks like glass.
Do it again.
Huh?
Do it again. I thought it was plastic, bro.
It looks just like glass. I thought.
We back at the 7-story mall again. You feel me? But this time we walk from the hotel over here. Yesterday we had to drive, knowing that we live damn close to the shit. Like we sleep in them. Remember live? I just said live. I just said we live close to the mall, bro. I'm so crazy for that. Nobody got time for that. Oh my gosh, bro. Caught me a slight little drip. You finna see that shit tonight when we hit the streets. And that's probably gonna be a whole nother vlog again, because that's what I always do. These vlogs are all 20 minutes long. I don't know why. It's because when I turn the camera on, I be feeling myself low key. So I'm like, yeah, I gotta say this and I gotta record this and I gotta do that. Be a whole other shit, man. But yep. Starbucks closed down. That's the first. All right. We wasn't on this floor. What? Oh. Alright, y'all. So we out here on the 7th floor. We got some, what's this called? Christmas or some shit again. Yesterday is my first time trying this shit and I got hooked to it. First time trying it yesterday. The vlog that you watched before this one.
What, mayonnaise?
Yep. My first time ever eating it. And I'm back again.
How's this your first time trying it?
I don't know, bro. The shit's so fire though. I was missing
23 years of life.
Yep. Yep.
And yesterday was your first time trying it.
Believe it or not. Fire. Fire. Y'all need to try it.
That's that bullshit.
Wow.
Yeah, we're trying this. That's a disgrace.
Just lied. This is bad. Nope. I see you. You got caught.
My wife, you can't catch me.
You got caught.
I ain't hiding shit.
You got caught.
It's working.
Oh shit, you got food finish and shit.
Love.
What was that, bro? But yeah, y'all. I don't know. I'm full. I'm lazy. I'm going back to the hotel, I guess. Where the damn is this elevator at?
That's the express.
YouTube! I will hit y'all up in like... What time is it, bro? It's after 11? We should be checking out... 11:01, we should be checking out 11, but yo, heading back to the great old STL right now. You dig? We left them a nice little present for when they come in here. Check it out. Yes, sir. Hey, I'm finna leave my camera right here. That's 3 days worth of garbage. Imagine if we was here for a week. Look. Imagine if we was here for a week. But yeah. It's gonna be a Chinese man driving back to St. Louis, but it's all good. Damn, I even got a Chinese live. You heard that shit? Boy. Anyways, y'all.
Did not take offense to that.
It was lit. It was lit. But I'm sorry. Can't hear the camera good, bro. I'm gonna watch these videos like when I feel like when I'm good again, bro. I'm gonna laugh like a motherfucker. But I'll see you when I see you. Goodbye, goodbye, good friends, goodbye.